Good morning. My name is Carol Andrea Esquiel. I am 19 years old. I am single. I was born in Guamo, Tolima. My family is my dad is police, my mom is an stylist, my brother is an student. I am a simple, friendly, socially collaborating person. I like to help people. I animal state what need it. I like animals, especially dog. I like to travel. I like seafood. I like to share with family. I like rain darts. I don't like tomatoes. I don't like mad clouds. My daily routine is I study from 6 o'clock to 12 and lunch and 1 in the afternoon and tap not from 2 to 4 in the afternoon. I get up, I brush my teeth, and I work unit 18. I eat dinner and eat it series. At 10 at night, I go to sleep. Thank you.